In August this year, the Boitang Retro keyboard was launched for 499 yuan. I missed it and didn't buy it. Later, there was no discount on the price. After waiting for a few months, I found a discount price and got it directly for 492 yuan. Here are the stickers and instructions, and a data cable for the keyboard. This is the keyboard, comes with the super keys that come with it. Let's take a look at the appearance of the keyboard. It has an 87 key layout and 2 custom keys AB. The function keys in the upper left corner are the same as the layout of the Boitang joystick. Let's compare the sounds of 2 mechanical keyboards. The sound of the Boitang keyboard is clear and powerful. Test typing in Bluetooth mode. Pull out the 2.4G receiver. Connect to the computer and test it. I feel like the keyboard sounds are better than the sounds in the game.